In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect credit card to QuickBooks. By the end, you'll have your credit card securely linked in QuickBooks Online, your recent transactions flowing in, and a clear path to keep everything accurate and up to date. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the company file where you want the connection to live. This ensures the imported transactions land in the right books and keeps your records clean. Next, head to Banking. Depending on your layout, you may see transactions in the left menu with a banking tab underneath. In the banking screen, look toward the top right and choose Add Account. This opens the connection flow so QuickBooks can talk to your credit card provider. Use the search bar to type the name of your credit card bank. Select the correct institution from the list that appears. If your provider isn't listed, don't worry. You can still get data in by uploading a CSV file of transactions, but we'll keep going with the direct connection here. You'll now be asked for the username and password you used to sign in to your credit card's online portal. Enter those credentials, then complete any multi-factor authentication your bank requires, such as a code sent to your device. QuickBooks uses secure banking connections, including services like Plaid, to encrypt and protect your information while it fetches your data. After the connection is verified, QuickBooks will display the accounts it found at your bank. Choose the specific credit card account or accounts you want to link, then click Connect. This will begin importing your recent transactions into QuickBooks, and once the account is connected, go to Banking and open the For Review tab. Here, you'll see the imported transactions waiting to be categorized. Work through them one by one, assigning the correct category or expense account, and adding a customer, project, or class if that applies to your workflow. When a transaction matches something you've already recorded, like a bill payment or expense, use Match. Otherwise, use Add to create a new categorized entry. Proper categorization here directly supports accurate profit and loss and balance sheet reports. With your transactions categorized, go to Accounting, choose Reconcile, and select your credit card account. Enter the statement's ending balance and statement ending date, then match what's in QuickBooks to what appears on your statement. Your goal is to bring the difference to exactly $700. This reconciliation step confirms everything is